Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. I remain myself, the great Johnson Keys. Alright, so welcome. So today I want to show you some of the features on the Yamaha e473, right? Okay. Right. Okay, so this is the grand piano, the voice. There's a voice button here, right? Which is just the grand piano, like you can hear. You can change it to organ. I don't really like this. Let me check some other one. All right. Okay. Okay, so right, those are the voice, right? And okay, so but one of the things I want to show you is actually how to draw voices. I think the split is straightforward. The button is here. If you split, it just goes straight forward. So, and if you of course do draw also, it goes straight forward. I'll quickly introduce you to my new piano tutorial, intermediate piano course, right? Over 2 hours where I taught you a lot of stuff that will take you just to mastery, that level you've always wanted to get on piano. I've done a course over 2 hours that will take you there, and there's a discount on it presently for the first 50 people, and it's almost complete. I just said I should tell you this. The price is 3,500 for people in Nigeria, $10 for people abroad. Right? 3,500 for people in Nigeria, $10 for people abroad. That's the discount price for the first 50 people. Now we are in the grace period. So you can see the syllabus is on the screen. You need to get that very, very fast. Very fast, because after we get, once the grace period is passed, we'll take it to the normal price. We'll take the price to the normal price, and that will just be fine, because the tutorial, the course is still more valuable than these prices. And I mean what I'm saying. I've started getting testimonies from various people that have gotten this. So check the comment section for how to get this. God bless you. Right, let's straightforward on. Right. But I noticed something. Unlike the previous versions, that if you want to change the dual, you just press it down and then it goes to dual on the screen, and then you change the voice. This one does not go like that. This one rather has it has those stuffs also like underlined, circled under it. So how do we get there? So I'm going to show you that very fast. And this is okay, so let me go back to piano. Okay, so now I want to change our dual. Let's say I want if I do dual now, it goes. But let's say I want to use organ under this. So how do we do that? So how to do that on this keyboard, Yamaha Psr e473, is to press down the shift button. Press down the shift button and press the dual. It takes you straight to the dual voice, right? Praise God. So now you can change it from let's say to organ now. Let me change it to organ. So now the organ is under the voice. So but it's not really loud, so I don't it's not really the volume is not up. I don't mean to say loud. Okay, so you come to function, right? So you come to function, you press it twice, so it shows you your D voice, but you actually want to go to D volume. So you turn this this guy just once, then you see D volume. Then there's an enter button here. You have enter, you have exit, you have plus and minus reset. Okay, so the plus and minus reset, they also do the job that this guy does. So you click on the enter. Then the voice presently is at 0.45. All right, so you can take it up. Now you hear the sound now. So that's that. The reverb is so much. You can also do that. So right, so that's that. So that's how to change the let me change that back to so if you want to get out of the D volume, you just press exit, the first button here, 1 2 3, the one here. So then you go back to, you can use this minus to go back to D voice. Press enter again. Then let's go to maybe let's go back to strings. Okay. Okay, so that's that. So that's how to set your main voice, which is this, and then to set your dual also. And then of course, if you need it split, you can just click that and you get that. So if you want to set the split also, press down the shift button and press shift the split. So it will take you to finger bass. That's the I think that's the default bass. So you can change that. You can change to acoustic bass, to pick bass, to fretless bass. I mean, so that's and then you can also go forward by plus and minus here. Okay, so this is where the volume button is. There's a motion effect, there's the articulation. I'll be doing tutorials on that. There's the volume vocal, talk and mute button, and then there are the live knobs also. For instance, okay, let's try the live knobs. Let's say I want to reverb is on 2. Yeah, so I can take this knob to knob 1 is currently assigned to 1, so I can take it to 2 by pressing it, and then let me add reverb. Then you add more reverb. Let me remove the reverb. Right? So you can hear the reverb. Let me remove it. So you can use this while playing. And I need more reverb. I'll just do it. Right? So that's it. So, and you can add chorus also with the B button. Right? And then there's this effect that the articulation gives it. Right? Okay, so that will be that for now. For people who use the transpose, I don't use the transpose button. There's a transpose button also here. But if you use it naturally now, it works for. I like how they did this keyboard. They kind of saved a lot of space instead of all those other ones. They will write a lot of stuff. They just save space. Use one button for different stuffs, right? I pray it will be durable also. Okay, so so if you use this button here, you get the octave, right? Right? But if you want to use it as transpose, you have to click down the shift button, then you do that, right? For people who use the transpose. All right, God bless you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, right? And I'll be teaching a lot of stuff so that. Thank you. Bye.